Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you try to find game or application and you can search it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and then choose settings, family and their parental controls. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin, and there we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe page 16, confirm by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!